Hello everyone. So I've been thinking lately about revisiting freelancing because freelancing is a really nice way of earning money, and I reevaluated why over 5 years ago my main business failed, and I think I've shared this with you here on this channel. And one of the reasons that it failed, it was because I got overwhelmed and the management of it was really bad, and also we didn't have the tools that we have today for us to create amazing websites of value. So I've started advertising my services, to people every now and again, and I've managed to get one client. So this client wants a website, an investment website, and this website is going to need a dashboard where the investors can see how their stocks are performing and so on, and also their deposits and investments. So I'm at a point where I'm actually thinking, what do I use? Do I use Divi or do I use Bricks? Now, the reason why I'm making this decision is not because I'm giving up on Divi or anything, but it's just that it is going to need all the features like the loop, Flexbox, and so on. And Bricks has all those things in place. And Divi doesn't have them all in place at the moment, although they're working really fast to bring all those features in. So it's a bit of a difficult one, but I'm still deciding, because the challenge is going to be, if I go with Bricks, there's a bit of a learning curve. But once I get my head around it, then I'm going to have a lot of flexibility when it comes to all the features that I need on it. Whereas with Divi, I can develop the website faster, but the challenge is I still need those things in place for me to have a website that is going to be very easy to work on. So I'm in a bit of a situation here. But the interesting part is I'm now need to revisit all the tools that I need for this website to work. And also what's interesting was, in fact, I'll do another video talking about this. The other interesting part is I also had to add more information and pitch more tips and services to the basic website they wanted. And you know what? It worked. One of the services that I pitched was email marketing automation, because of course, they asked for a website, but email marketing automation is going to be key, because if you're able to produce that, then it makes it easier for the users of the website to get to get emails coming through. And the other thing as well that I managed to pitch was the forms. So as you can imagine, if you have an investment website, you're going to need forms of all sorts of stuff, which you can customize, and then of course add all the fields that you need for that website. So it is very, very interesting and very exciting. So this is a new journey that I'm taking, and I will be sharing pretty much everything throughout this journey in terms of the web design, how I'm getting clients, how I'm working on the projects, because that way, for those of you that want to go into freelancing, you can see what I'm doing. But I'm not coming in as an expert, which is fantastic. So I'm going to be sharing with you my journey to designing these websites. So that way, it doesn't just become a channel where I'm just teaching Divi only. So I'll be showing Divi and how it's applied in the real world, because that's how I think Divi University is really going to work and benefit all of you. So anyway, a lot of work is to come, and I'm really excited about starting this website. I will let you know in the next video what I decide to use and how I'm getting on with the project. Anyway guys, I thought I'll give you a quick update. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.